Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk with you about a very interesting grammar in Arabic. All of you know guys that Arabic grammar is difficult, but in this video I'm gonna make it easy for you. Today I'm gonna talk about plural in Arabic. In English it's very easy to make plural, you just add s. In Arabic it's completely different. We got three types of plural in Arabic. Keep that in your mind. Three types of plural? Yeah. First one is regular masculine. Second one is regular feminine plural. And the third one is irregular plural. Let me give you some examples. Let's go to the regular masculine plural. I'll give you an example like مدرس, teacher. How you gonna make the plural of teacher? How you can say teachers? مدرسون. So you have to add واو and noon at the end, or ya and noon. مدرسين. So what's the difference between واو and noon and ya and noon? When we add واو and noon and when we add ya and noon. The difference is in Arabic we got a nahu and we change the last of the word depends on its position. So this is a very long story. If you want to know the story, I recommend you to book a trial lesson. I'm gonna explain this grammar for you. Just this is my WhatsApp number. Contact me and I will help you, of course. Let's go back to our topic. And now we are on the second type of plural, regular feminine plural. So regular feminine plural, it's easy. You just add alif and ta at the end of a feminine word. Let me give you an example. سيارة means a car. So let's add alif and ta. Of course we're gonna delete the ta مربوطة right here and we're gonna add alif and ta. سيارات. سيارات. So this is the regular masculine plural and also we have taken the regular feminine plural. Let's go to the last type, the monster. It's difficult because you need to memorize this type of plural. Let me give you some examples. طالب means a student. طالب. So how gonna make the plural of this word? طلاب. 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 Another example. كتاب means a book. So let's make the plural of this word. كتب. كتب. You see the difference? Hopefully you learned something with me. If you have any questions, please contact me on my WhatsApp number. Assalamu alaikum.